Welcome to the WMS360 How-To series. In this video, we'll show you how to list a product on Shopify. Here's what we'll cover. 4 simple steps, from finding your product to adding it to your Shopify store. Start from the active Catalogue page. Find the product you want to list, then click the Manage button. A channel grid will appear. Select the Shopify icon to open the Create Product page. You'll land on the Shopify Create Product page. First, select your Shopify account from the drop-down. The catalog name, sales price, cost price, and RRP are all pulled in automatically from WMS360. Next, pick the Shopify collections this product belongs in. You can add as many as you need. Type to filter your full collection list, and selected collections appear as chips you can remove. Then add your tags. These are the filters shoppers use on Shopify. Sizes, colors, price bands, anything that helps them find your product. Pick them from the drop-down or type to add new ones. Your product description is loaded automatically. Every bullet point from your catalog comes straight across, with full rich text formatting if you want to tweak it. Every product photo from your catalog is imported too. Drag to reorder, remove any extras, and the first image becomes your main Shopify listing photo. Your product variations are imported automatically from WMS360. Every color and size combination, each with its own SKU, stock level, RRP, and sale price. No manual entry, no retyping. When you're ready, click Add Product. After a moment, you'll see a confirmation in the top right. Product created successfully on Shopify and saved locally. And your new listing shows up in the Shopify Active Products list. And that's it. Your product is now live on Shopify, managed directly from WMS360. Head over to your Shopify admin if you'd like to verify the listing.